Welcome to everybody. Today we have very interesting and logical algebra equation x exponent of 5 is equal to 1. How we can find the value of x is unknown in here. So directly we take the reciprocal of their exponent is 1 by 5. 1 by x is equal to 1 we will get. So what we are using to the general solution of this one. So if according to the Euler identity, Euler identity, so e exponent of iota theta is equal to cos theta plus iota sin theta. So if theta is used in here for theta is equal to 2 pi, so e exponent of iota 2 pi is equal to cos 2 pi plus iota sin 2 pi. Now according to the another W Lombard function for the general terms, W log of theta is equal to, for theta is equal to n 2 pi n for the general term if we are using in here. So the result will be in here e exponent of, so this result we get in here 1 is equal to cos 2 pi plus iota sin 2 pi. For the W Lombard function, according to the W Lombard function, log of theta is equal to 2 pi n. For n belongs to positive integers and n is equal to 0, 1, 2 up to so on. Now this general term if we put in theta is equal to 3, I is equal to 2 pi n is equal to cos 2 pi n plus iota sin 2 pi n. So in here the result is that will be equal to cos 2 pi n and plus iota sin 2 pi n is equal to 1, and 1 is equal to, it means that x power 5 is equal to, and here we get e exponent of iota 2 pi n. Now we are taking the reciprocal of this one, x by 1 by 5 on each side, iota 2 pi n, and the reciprocal of 1 by 5. So this is cancelled because we are required the value of x is, now we can get in here e exponent of 2 by 5 iota 2 pi n. We can write here if we put substitute x is n is equal to 0, so we can get x is equal to e exponent of 0 is equal to 1. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share this video more and more.